Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to proteins and amino acids. Proteins are polymers made up of amino acid monomers. Proteins have many functions in the body, including enzymatic and structural, and they have this general structure here. They have an amino group, a carboxyl acidic group, and an R side chain. Amino acids are made up of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. And for the most part, they also contain some sulfur. And there are 20 unique side chain R groups. Proteins are very complex because there are 20 different amino acids. They can form a variety of different proteins when they're polymerized. Things like hemoglobin, which is the oxygen carrier in your blood with 4 different subunits. Also, collagen is a protein. It's made of these 3 protein monomers bound together. And antibodies are another example of a complex structure of amino acids strung together to form a very large protein that can protect you from invading microbes. There are 2 types of amino acids. There are essential amino acids. Essential amino acids must be supplied by the diet, and there are non-essential amino acids. The body can synthesize these amino acids. There are some great sources of proteins in foods. One of my favorites is low-fat chocolate milk, but fish, lean meats, nuts, eggs, peanut butter are all great sources of protein. I would avoid protein supplements because you can get all of the protein that you need, even if you're an athlete, from these other lean protein sources, and be much better assured of their quality. Now, there's a myth about vegetarianism or veganism and protein intake. Many people believe that getting sufficient protein in your diet is difficult for vegetarians or vegans. This is not true. Other people also think that it's difficult to get all of the essential amino acids when you're eating a vegetarian or vegan diet. This is also not true. By combining protein sources, in this example, we're looking at beans and white rice, legumes, and grains. All of the essential amino acids can be found in your vegetarian or vegan diet, and there is plenty of protein from these sources to get enough protein in your diet. So vegan or vegetarianism is a healthy food choice. Dietary protein is essential because it is the only practical source of essential amino acids and nitrogen. It is recommended that 10 to 35% of your daily energy intake comes from protein, and the recommended dietary allowance for adults is around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Now, infants and children need higher amounts of protein in their diet, and athletes, particularly power athletes, may need up to 2 grams per kilogram of protein per day. That's my short introduction to proteins. I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to talking to you again soon. This is the references and disclaimer page. The reference textbook that most of these videos follow is Understanding Nutrition by the authors Rolfs and Whitney. I use the 15th edition by Cengage Publishing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Nutrition, Fast and Fun. There's lots of great videos that you'll find there. And finally, there's a medical disclaimer. You should read the medical disclaimer to make sure you fully understand your rights and responsibilities. Thank you and have a great day.